Give your salsa a fruity flair. It's fresh, it's zingy, it's the cherry on top of your summer salsa bar. Tami Steggell joins me in the kitchen to share the recipe for cherry salsa. Great to have you, sister.
Thank you.
Is it cherry season?
It's cherry season right now. You can find them at stands everywhere and also in grocery stores.
So normally a salsa would have a tomato base. Cherries replace the tomatoes?
Yes.
You love
Yes,
this.
I love it because it's fresh,
Yeah.
it's flavorful, it's different, it's a twist on salsa,
Okay.
and it's savory. Because we always think of cherries as sweet, so
yeah.
I wanted to show you some savory. I also brought a sweet idea, but this comes together super duper fast.
Show us.
So it's 28 cherries, I counted it.
Okay.
And a few non-traditional things. There's a little bit of brown sugar, salt, pepper.
Brown sugar in a salsa.
Yeah, just to
Okay.
give it a little sweet, help pop those cherries.
Okay.
And then lime, jalapeno. This is a shallot, and it looks like this. It's just a little purple onion, and
Shallot
it comes.
versus shallot?
Well, yes, it's shallot is correct.
Okay.
I grew up saying shallot.
I love it.
And it also has basil and cilantro.
Ooh, my mouth is watering just looking at it here in the
Yeah,
bowl. Spread
it's
out
so fun.
beautifully. We're gonna toss this, sister.
Yeah, so it just has everything here in the bowl. This takes maximum of 15 minutes, so you can put it together really quick. It's great on grilled meats.
Oh, it would be, yeah. Like
And my favorite way is with corn chips, your
Really?
favorite corn chip.
I was gonna ask, just
So
scoop, dip, and enjoy.
that's it. So
Okay.
here is your salsa.
My mouth is really like salivating, thinking of all of those
It's
flavors.
super good, and I
Yeah.
apologize, I forgot chips.
Oh my
'cause
gosh, I forgive you, I guess, but I might have to eat it by the spoonful then.
So there is your savory version
Great.
of cherries.
Okay, sweet version?
Okay, sweet version, I chose a cherry sauce because it's so versatile. You could put it on Greek yogurt. I like to do sourdough toast with brown butter, and I put goat cheese and cherry sauce. It's like
Yummy.
dessert breakfast.
Oh my goodness.
So another thing you could put on pavlova. Remember we made pavlovas?
Yes.
And yesterday, instead of cinnamon rolls, I spread the cherries in my favorite bread, roll dough, and it was amazing with cream cheese frosting. So you could do
make this once, enjoy it a million times.
yeah, put it on ice cream. You can, and it only takes about 20 minutes.
Okay.
You just do sugar, water, and then you dissolve it. You add your stemmed and pitted cherries. So I brought 2 pitters to show you what they look like. And here, you just pop the cherry inside and pit it. And these are amazing. That's the longest part of this
Just to
recipe.
pit the cherries.
Yep. And then you add your cherries, you boil them at a bubbly rate on medium heat for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
You add your lemon juice and cornstarch, and you have to dissolve it or you'll get lumps.
Okay.
So you dissolve it, stir it for 2 more minutes, and then turn off the heat, add your vanilla, and then put it in a jar and let it cool and enjoy.
How long will that save?
About 2 weeks.
Oh my goodness, so make that once, a little bit of time up front, but enjoy it for weeks on end. A great summer treat, sweet versus savory, cherry sauce, cherry salsa. We are here for it. Tami, thank you so
Yeah.
much. Where can we get more recipes from you?
You can get it on bitemeindustries.com, and these will appear on Studio 5 KSL website.
I will be trying these both. Thank you
So
very
good.
much. Happy summer. We'll link you over to Tami's page from ours too on the Studio 5 recipe page if you want to check it out.